Mod here from Modifications, and today I have a present for my B6 S4. So I'm super excited about this. So I love the way my B6 S4 sounds, except the problem is, and actually Jackson, who's my friend who runs a channel called Color and Light, he did a test drive video on my S4 and he pointed it out. He's like, man, the car sounds great, but all the noise is coming out of the back. There's no noise coming out from the front except the standard engine noise. So I wanted to make it sound a little bit better, and just in time, Matt Barrington from Jackal, who is a very well-known tuner for the B6 platform, also in other Audis, he released his own intake kit yet again. So finally, when they became available again, and I finally had the funds, I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna go and give this intake a shot. So I got it, and I'm super excited to install this. So today, I'm not gonna do a full install video because he actually was nice enough to film a full install video, which I'm gonna link somewhere right here. So I'm just gonna unbox it, and then I wanna show you some before and after clips of the sound. I don't know how well it's gonna resonate through the video, but I'm hoping that this just makes it sound a little bit gruntier. So we'll see. Anyway, let's unbox this. Okay, so he kind of assembled it all for you, which is nice. Because a lot of times you get these kits, you have to kind of put all this on. It was not a big step, but really nice touch from Matt for that. So this looks like it's gonna go somewhere. And I did read in this that you have to do the auxiliary radiator delete. That kind of works out because I don't know if I mentioned in my channel, I put a hole through my radiator, my auxiliary radiator, because I was installing my Maxton lip. So I just deleted it. I'm assuming that's the filter. And a Vibrant Performance silicone hose. I believe this is all it comes with. And everything looks pretty good quality. Even his little cutout right here looks really good quality. Nice little Jackal Motorsports sticker, and the filter itself, and another sticker that says Jackal Motorsports and Jackal Motorsports. Brad standard. I mean, nothing special. It doesn't feel super cheap. I'll do like a quick time lapse of me installing it, but I'm not going to go through the details because somebody's already done a lot of that effort. But let's get this in there, and let's do some before and after clips with the car engine bay itself. So we're gonna go do that now. All right, so here we are with my B6. Based on the video I just watched, looks like I just need to remove everything up to here and after. So this needs to go, and that needs to go, and this is the MAF. So this intake actually connects all the way back over here, the wall. It's very snug in here. I mean, everything in this engine is just super snug anyway. So for what we have so far, these screws right here, they're one up from a T25. I don't know if they're called T26, but it's a little bit bigger than a T25. And then right here is just Phillips. Gotta take all this off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the two MAF screws off. Alright, so the bottom one is a little trickier to get. So I'm just going to attach this bit to my vice grip. So many hoses. This is little mount right here. I'm actually just turning it. I don't know how to get rid of that. Oh, it just tabs right out. Okay. Now the MAF comes right off. Out of the way for a second so I can yank this out. There we go. Let's press those two sides. I'll have this in the directions. Let's see. Have these. I'll plug it there for now and see what I need to do with that too. Okay, so after much messing around, I got this in. It is a snug fit, but I just ended up putting the silicone hose on the MAF, and I stuck this on after. And now I'm gonna clamp this down. Whew, it took some muscle, but it's fine. Let's get this routed in here first. Actually, I'm just gonna open this up. So Matt recommended you slide it in like that. There's actually a decent amount of room here. So. Okay, so when Matt said it was snug, it is definitely snug. I mean, this is basically sitting where it can. It was a little bit of a pain in the ass to install this filter. It's not sliding all the way into the intake, so there's not much room besides like this much for it to slide in, so it's making it really hard. So I put the silicone part right there, and it's clamped to the MAF on this other side, and then I clamped that onto the metal vibrant piece, and then I attach. Sorry about this screaming. It's not moving, so we're gonna start it. So we're gonna go drive around, see how this performs. Okay, so we are in here, no check engine light, nothing. Definitely hear a little bit more of a rumble from the front, which is nice. You don't hear any like crazy suction noises or anything like that, and I didn't expect it to, but you definitely hear a little bit more of the engine kind of grunt. Let's see. Yes, see, now I actually hear the engine versus just the exhaust in the back, so it's nice. It's nice. Oh no, you do hear some suction noises. You do. You can hear them. I don't know if you can hear them through the phone. So let's take a look and see if my clamping job did its job. Drove it pretty hard. It's good. Yep, everything looks solid. So that is the end of this video with my Jackal B6 S4 intake. So a lot of you might be like, why would you pay this much to get this intake? You know, you could probably build your own. Yeah, you can. But Matt has done a lot of research. He's done a lot of work for this platform. And with this custom cut heat shield that he's designed, he's kind of pieced together a really nice kind of combo. And it's honestly not that badly priced. Definitely recommend it. I think it sounds great. It looks really good. So why not? I would go get it if you have a B6 S4. Might as well, right? Because there's not that much other stuff to do besides go, you know, turbo or supercharge. So anyway, signing off. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.